Hi! Welcome to Tita Lily's Kitchen. Today, I will be cooking caldereta. You can use pork, chicken, but for now, I will be using beef spare ribs. So here are the ingredients that we need for this recipe. I have here beef, and this is the beef spare ribs I was telling you earlier, and the rest I cut it already into cubes. We have garlic, oil, butter, olives, ground black pepper, soy sauce. I have here potatoes, onion, red bell pepper. We're going to use liver pate, and then lemon. Usually use calamansi, but I don't have calamansi, so I'm going to use lemon. I have here chili, hot chili. So caldereta is not caldereta without hot chili. Pickles. Usually I use whole pickle, but I don't have it, so this relish will do. And since this recipe is tomato based, we're going to use tomato sauce. So let's start cooking. All these ribs in a mixing bowl. Put soy sauce. Little bit of garlic. Ground black pepper. Put lemon. Don't forget to remove lemon seeds. I think we need a little bit more soy sauce. Give it a mix and set aside. I'll give the potatoes a quick fry just to give a bit of a texture. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll do the same thing with red bell pepper. Same way I did with potatoes, I'll put these two aside and I'll start working with the spare ribs. Now let's work on the spare ribs. Butter. I'll chop in the garlic. Onion. This pot is giving me a headache. It's making too much noise. Now let's get ready for the spare ribs. I'm going to cook this till it gets brown. I'm sure you notice the meat looks like cut into big chunks, but don't worry. That will turn into bite size once it gets cooked. Now I think it's time for me to add the tomato sauce. I added 2 cups of water. You can also use pineapple juice, but for now water is just fine. Now, I'll simmer this for 30 to 45 minutes. Oops, it's hot. I think it's okay. Now we start adding the rest of the ingredients. Put the rest of the ground black pepper. Put the pickles. I wanna use more of this one. Gives sweetness. Leftover soy sauce. So I'm going to add up the liver pate slash liver spread. This one will thicken the sauce. And of course it will give flavor. It's looking good. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Potato, olives, I think it's time for me to taste if it's enough salt. Yum. Now we're going to add the chili. I have here maybe 5 pieces. I think this is more than enough. You can also use pressure cooker whenever you cook this dish, just to make it quicker. I know it's really time consuming if you're in a hurry. This dish needs to be simmer for at least an hour or till the meat become tender. So now let's add the chili. Now we're going to add red bell pepper. Congratulations, my beef caldereta is ready. Forgive me, but I need to congratulate myself. I think I gave justice to this dish. I think. Here we go. The meat is so tender, it will just melt in your mouth. As you could see, the meat is falling off the bone. All you need is a bowl of steamed rice and Bob is your uncle. Hope you try this recipe. So this is my version of cooking beef caldereta. Try this recipe and I'm sure you will love it. Just check the recipe on the description. By the way, shout out to Buninay and Francisco Vivas of Barangay Uno, Nasugbu, Batangas. Thanks for watching. So till my next video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.